Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of After the Wear. It's been a while since I posted up and just been on so many projects, trying to cook out there and whatnot. And today we present Nike SB by 40% against rights. So one of the crazy things that, kind of highlighted to me about this collaboration between both companies was the fact that the silhouette is almost like a crossover of Jordan 6s and the Dunks. And so from what you guys have already seen here, you see a lot of little hints of the Jordan 6 features within the Dunk High silhouette. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you have, your regular Nike SB box with the Tiffany green and the black, and so not too many things with that. And as you can see right here, you have the label, and again, with all the other Dunks that I've done reviews on, you guys see that the label is now pretty brand new, and you have the QSR code that you can scan that's on there, which helps with the authenticity, which is nice. But at the same time, it's like something new with the whole font and whatnot. So anyways, going into the shoe, as you guys can see already right here in the tongue, you see the hints of the Jordan 6. And so this right here has so many different features and so many little things that make the 40% against rights collaboration pretty unique. And again, you start off with the lace locks, the tongue, the lace cover over here. That's definitely Jordan 6 features. But as you go around the whole entire silhouette, you have this black leather, multi-grain in different shades. There's gray as well. You have this mesh Nike swoosh, and here at the very end of the swoosh, it says "Don't follow me." And then as we move towards the heel, you get more of the features of like 40% against rights and the Nike swoosh. The heel tab also consists of Fpar. Again, that right there is 40% against rights. And then as you go behind the tongue, you get Trust No One. And then inside, which what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take this off. You guys have these inner soles saying 40% against rights and Nike SB right there. You guys already know that I'm like really huge on collaborations, and this is one of the cooler ones, especially as we go into the winter season. You have more of like, this durable leather that is all over the shoe. The sole, again, you have the regular Nike SB right there, but you also have like a grayish, translucent, dark gray sole, which you can kind of see there. So I'm highlighting this shoe because it's a little bit different than the other one. Even though the silhouette remains the same, it comes with, on this right side or the right foot or shoe, you get a pair of gray laces. And let's jump to the back of this tongue right here where it says Trust No One also. And again, this is the same thing in the inside in the sole, but the changes here in comparison to the left and the right is that it goes "Don't follow me," which I mentioned earlier, and then it goes "I'm lost too." So back heel remains the same, also with the heel tab, and then the insides also remain the same. So yeah, there you pretty much have it. The Nike SB Dunks 40% against rights. If you guys have any questions, do let me know, and let me know what you think of these. Would you skate them, or would you just rock them, with the winter outfit? Cool. Thanks guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if this was informational, definitely do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button, and we'll catch you guys after the wear.